I got something really cool to show y'all. And I've learned something. Oh, crap. I've smeared my makeup all over my face. Anyway. All right. So, let's call this bedroom number 1. All right. This will be bathroom number 1. Husband. Bedroom number 2. Okay. And then this is amazing. And look at this catwalk. I absolutely love it. I've learned something really cool since we've been in this house too. There's a pool out there. I'm going to tell you what I learned here in just a second. But here's a little sitting area up here. So I could do my videos and all my stuff right here. This will be bedroom number 3. Bathroom number 2. Hey! I like this one. This is bedroom number 4. So there's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. And a little sitting area for me. Overlooking the main part of the house. So now I'm going to take you downstairs. Notice, I started upstairs with you so you don't have to listen to me almost die climbing in steps. Okay. Here's one living room. Here's the dining room off the living room. And here's the main living room. Look how nice and big and open this is. Isn't that awesome? I love it. It looks out over the pool. And it's got a nice big kitchen. And what I like about they're going to replace that. It's got a wet bar from the kitchen to the dining room, and then a good sized pantry. So what I've learned here is something called receivership. Y'all know about receivership? Let's go out on the deck. Let's see this thing. All right. So there's a kid fence around the pool, and it overlooks the retaining pond. Somebody's doggy's outside. That's cool. But outside we've got a little mini kitchen with a sink and the guts for a kegerator. That's pretty cool. Probably put a grill or something out here. I don't really know. But this is a nice living area out here, don't you think? So I've learned about receivership in this house. Does anybody know about receivership? If you know or you've heard of receivership before, tell me in the comments. Tell me what you know about receivership, because I had never heard of it before we walked into this house. I learn new real estate stuff all the time. That's what I love about real estate. Just when you think you know something, they have something new come out. I think this is the master bedroom. It's a long, skinny bedroom. And then the master bath in here. It's an okay closet. And then there's Jason's closet. Master bath in here. So this will be bedroom number 5, bathroom number 3. This is bedroom 5, bathroom number 3 on this tour. I love it. God, I love looking at houses. So far, nobody knows anything about receivership. So maybe this isn't something totally new and I'm the last one to find out. All right, this is bathroom number 4. Hey! Shower in here too. This is a good doggy shower. And this would be bedroom number 5. So it's 5 bedrooms and how many bathrooms do we count? 2 upstairs, 2 downstairs. So 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms in this house. That's a locked door. But then here's this huge laundry room. And another little closet there. Okay. So I'm going to see if I can get Chris, who's the agent in charge of this house. Let me see if he'll come over here and get on camera for me and tell us about receivership again. He's with husband. There he is. Chris. Do you mind if I film you?
No, that's fine.
Okay, tell me about receivership again.
Okay, so receivership is an option that's in a mortgage. Basically, if you get to the point where about to be foreclosed on, the receiver can take it over along with the HOA and the community. The receiver then will repair it, restore it, and then also rent it out. The funds from the rental are used to first do repairs and then also pay back the mortgage, pay off the mortgage.
So is the receiver like an intermediary between the bank and the homeowners?
No, so the receiver, it's actually through the bank that they're allowed to do it. So they get it through the court that they become the receiver. And so they're almost, I don't know, kind of like, they would technically not be called the landlords here, but they would almost be like landlords.
That's really cool. So there's, I guess, companies out there that like professionally do receivership and then they rent the houses out?
Yeah, so there's companies, there's multiple down here. FPR, Force, the reason that I work with them is they do military and service members mainly, but there are other companies that do it. You can also get receivership not as a company. The person that gets the mortgage can designate somebody that would become a receiver, so that's another option there. So yeah, it's...
So when I take over somebody's payments, I usually don't like people to be behind on payments, but I guess if somebody was behind, I could call myself the receiver and go through the courts and take it over that way instead of doing a lease option like I usually do?
Yeah, that you would have to first make sure that their mortgage has that in there, so it's not just something that's always in the mortgage.
Okay.
It's something that has to be, added to it. But yeah, you should be able to go through the court and be able to do it through that process.
So this mortgage is still in the original people's names, but they were getting close to foreclosure, so the receiver came in and took it over, and they did the little repairs, and the receiver's the one that's going to be written it back out and making sure the payments get made.
Yeah, so basically the owner...
I feel like we need to draw a map here.
Yeah, the owner's like out now. So
okay, they're out. They've handed over their...
They've done
everything
and assumed everything, and so the receiver now is put in place basically by the mortgage company a little bit to fix it up, get it back to where it needs to be, and then rent it out. That, like I said, that rental then makes up the amount that they would have been behind on, so defaulted on.
This is so cool. Like, I don't know why I didn't ever know about this, but it's really cool. It's kind of got my brain spinning a little bit, but that's really cool.
Yeah, so you'll see a lot of times they'll put it in receivership to where it's working with receivers, and then they can also, at the end of that, once it's paid off and redone and everything, then they'll pull it out of receivership and then list it that way. So it's also kind of a way of fixing up the home in between the time. So
that's really cool. So what does it take to become a receiver?
Honestly, I don't know too much on becoming a receiver. I'm more of a third party for the company that's the receiver because, like I said, they cover all of Florida, so they have properties all over the place. I more just show it mainly for them. So
this is awesome.
Yeah,
I love it. I'm gonna have to go find out a lot about it tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Definitely know, so.
Yeah, I've never heard of this, so I am totally intrigued. Y'all got any questions? Everybody cool? All right, last shot. Pool, retaining pond out there, the outside bar. Does the grill go right there, maybe?
No, that's like a little, you see how it dips down? They actually used to paint and do stuff out there. That's what it was used for. But since then it's been, covered up and all the paint off.
All right, cool.
And then, yeah, like I said, around the corner is a kid
I saw that in the sink, so that's cool. All right, awesome. So we counted 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
6 if you count the office.
Yeah, technically the one that...
What office?
The one that was to
In
the
the
left
back
here. I
corner.
don't know if you saw any.
It's a bedroom. It's
It
got
was
windows
locked.
and a closet.
Oh, I thought it was locked. Let's go look.
This one is bedroom too, so it is much.
Yeah, I
smaller
counted this
than
one.
for a office. So there's one here, master bedroom there, and then 4 upstairs.
Yeah. Okay,
That's 6.
I miscounted.
And then
Yeah, 4 upstairs, 2 downstairs, 2 bathrooms up and 2 down, so 6, 4.
Yep.
Am I counting that right? Yeah.
Yep.
This house is nice. And then I get a little office up there. Y'all let me know what you think about this one. Bye.